In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to indicate career progression within one company on LinkedIn. If you've been climbing the ladder at your current company and you're looking to showcase that progression to potential employers or professional connections on LinkedIn, it's important to do so in a clear and organized manner. Let's get started by navigating to LinkedIn.com. Once there, go ahead and sign in. You can choose to log in with Google or Microsoft if you prefer, or simply enter your email address and password. When illustrating your career progression within the same company on your LinkedIn profile, it's crucial to list each role as a separate experience entry. Imagine this process like stacking building blocks where each block represents a new stage in your professional journey. This method creates a definitive structure on your profile, which enables visitors to accurately assess your career trajectory. As you add these experiences, make sure that the company name for each role remains consistent. This continuity not only emphasizes that it's the same organization but also keeps your profile looking neat and professional. Remember, consistency is key here, as it helps make your progression appear streamlined and logical to those viewing your profile. Each role should be entered as a separate experience entry. Even though it's within the same company, you must ensure that each entry uniquely reflects the responsibilities and achievements specific to that position. Consider this as an opportunity to highlight how you've grown and evolved over time. Using clear and descriptive job titles for each position you've held is also vital. Accurate job titles help convey your career progression, making it easier for others to understand what you have accomplished and how you've advanced. Don't forget to include the start and end dates for each role. The timeline of your career progression is an essential aspect of your professional story, adding more depth to each experience. These dates act as milestones on your career roadmap, guiding viewers smoothly through your journey. Additionally, take the time to showcase your results. Whenever possible, quantify your achievements. This not only demonstrates the impact of your work but also highlights your contributions. Reflect on how you've benefited the company, the projects you led, or the innovations you introduced. Numbers can indeed speak volumes. Lastly, make it a habit to keep your LinkedIn profile up to date as you continue to advance in your career. Regular updates ensure that your latest accomplishments and roles are accurately represented, keeping your profile fresh and relevant. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively showcase your career progression within one company on LinkedIn. Thanks for tuning in and happy networking.